As the conflict intensifies, a very rare and very powerful unity is emerging across the Middle East. Welcome to our war updates. It is shocking, but it is expected too. Several Gulf and regional countries, they have come together to deliver a clear and urgent message to Iran. Halt the attacks immediately and step back from further escalation. That's right, during a very high-level meeting in Riyadh, foreign ministers from countries including Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, along with several other nations, issued a joint statement condemning the recent wave of missiles and drone strike. While the gathering reflected growing concern that the whole situation is no longer contained and it could quickly spiral into a wider regional conflict. The urgency, it comes as multiple Gulf nations report attacks targeting crucial infrastructure such as ports, airports, energy facilities. These are not just any strategic assets for individual countries, by the way. They are essential to global energy supply, making the whole situation far more serious than a localized conflict now. In fact, the impact, it is already being felt beyond the region. Energy markets have become unstable and concern over supply disruptions, they are increasing. And Strait of Hormuz, a vital sea route which is very important for the global oil and gas transport, it is disrupted. And any disruption over here, it will immediately raise the global consequences, alarms, and it will affect the global economy at the very same time. And speaking of same time, then Iran's warning that certain energy facilities could be considered legitimate targets. It has further heightened the fear. So key installation near Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, they are now seen as potential risk, specifically after reports of strike on major energy sites in that particular region. Now, this joint statement from these nations, it strongly condemned the attack, particularly those impacting civilians and commercial infrastructure. Leaders emphasize that such actions, they violate the international law and they pose a direct threat to the regional sovereignty and stability as well. While reaffirming the right of countries to defend themselves, they stress that priority must now be de-escalation and return to dialogue. And another critical concern highlighted was the safety of global shipping lanes. Along with Strait of Hormuz, the Bab al-Mandab Strait, it was also mentioned as vital passage that must be protected. Any disruption in these areas, it could severely impact the global trade and energy flow. So, in the end, the message from the region is clear. Continued escalation is not acceptable, and stability must be restored through restraint and cooperation. However, the whole situation remains tense, and the effectiveness of this warning will depend on how events unfold in the coming days. The key question now is whether this unified stance will lead to reduction in hostilities or whether the whole conflict will continue to escalate, drawing more and more countries in an already volatile situation. Well, the stakes are no longer regional, ladies and gentlemen. Now they are global.